In a small Igbo village, there lived a proud rooster. Every morning his crew woke the people. Children went to school, women to the market, men to their farms. One day, the rooster said proudly, "Why should I work every day? The sun will rise without me." He decided to stop crowing. The next morning, the whole village was in trouble. Farmers missed planting. Children were late to school. Market women came late and buyers left angrily. The people became upset. The wise elder gathered everyone and said, "Something is wrong. Why don't we hear our rooster's voice anymore?" They found the rooster sleeping, full of pride. The elder told him, "Yes, the sun rises without you, but your voice gives us order. Everyone has a duty. If one person refuses, the whole community suffers." Ashamed, the rooster promised never to stop crowing again. From then on, he crew every morning. The moral lesson to this story is, every person's duty is important, no matter how small. Pride and laziness destroys community life. True leadership means serving others. That is our lesson for today's story.